Now I know this floor looks like it's going to take forever. And if you've got a floor like this, get yourself a scraper like this. And I'm going to try another scraper. I'm going to go back to the store and get a different scraper and show you how that one works. You've got the razor blade scraper around the edges if you need it. Something of this nature, okay, with extra blades. I'm probably not going to use this much anymore because this one here will suffice for that, okay? And before you change the blade on here, make sure you get it, make sure that all the edges are dull. This side, this side, this side, and this side as you're scraping like I showed you. Most of these take 2 screws here. Make sure not to over tighten it. Just make them snug, because after a while taking them off, taking them on, taking them off, you might want to strip the head of it and then you're going to be in a real pickle. You can get extra blades like this, and you can get them generally in a 5-pack or a 10-pack. And that scraper came from Depp. And see, here's the replacement blades for them. See right here? 5 blades. Doesn't look like 5, does it? That's because they're thin, but they're nice and strong. And so I've got 2 packs of these. I got 10 of these, but I've got so much to do. I know I'm going to have to get extra blades, okay? So, see, as you're working on this, don't get too worked up about it. Do one tile at a time. Just concentrate on one tile. Then do another tile, and another, and another. Don't look at the entire job, because it's going to inundate you. See this? I've got this room to do. I still have this whole hallway right here to do. And the other day, I did this one here with just the little hand razor blade, and I didn't even have that other thing. That's why I decided to go to the store, make sure I got that. Okay, I still have a little bit of work to do in there, but anyways, I also have this room. I still have this tile to come out, and see all the black tar in here I still have to do. Yeah, might have to recruit some help to get this done, but I'm just concentrating one little bit at a time, and I'll get it. You can too. Alright, don't say you can't do it, okay? Here's the thing. If you say you can't do it, your mind is automatically going to make sure that you can't do it. That's just how it works. Put your subconscious to work and say you can do it. And think of all the reasons why you can. Think of how this floor is going to look when you get done. Think of being finished and relaxing on the couch, watching your favorite TV show or football game or sporting event, whatever. You know, just keep thinking positive and you'll get through it.